It's tire mounting time.
Tire mounting.
So we're gonna go visit our friends over at City Garage. We're gonna get 2 tires mounted on Kevin's wheels, and then 4 tires mounted on Tao's wheels. We're trying to
over there.
See, I'll see them right now.
Alright, we got all the wheels on the truck.
I want to say this was a perfect fit. The boxes fit perfectly between the wheel wells, and all the tires fit perfectly right there.
It's like a Tetris.
I think the Toyota was built for this moment today.
Alright guys, we made it. City Garage.
We have arrived.
Location. There's Kai over there. You guys met him before with that white JZX90.
Check out his Project S14.
Running
These VSKFs.
Damn, this thing is like massive. Look at that.
Gangsta.
Big boy wheels.
So he's gonna be mounting the wheels. We got Tao's wheels here. My wheels are over there. Some tires. And we gotta get this going.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, I wasn't expecting this, but what do you think, man?
I like it, man.
It's pretty
I'm
sick.
proud of this kid. Look at this. KA turbo.
You don't really see too many KAs, but this one, it's a massive turbo. You got competition, man.
I do.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna build another KA.
A stroker kit.
Stroker.
This thing got all the goodies. Look at that. The excessive manifold. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. We're done.
Check it out, guys.
Got the Meisters. Got the R33 wheels.
R33 replicas. These are square G33s, wrapped with 225/45 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S.
Look pretty nice. We're gonna do a couple runs.
Yeah, we're gonna take it up to Azusa and see what's up.
It's pretty nice. Thanks to Kai over there.
Thank you, Kaya.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Got some Bolinos on the Meisters.
You got your nice chrome caps.
We should be good now.
The next day.
We're stepping down from 18s to 17s, right?
Yeah, and we're putting a proper tire on it.
So this is the current wheels, which they're nice wheels. Looks good on the car. But you want to show us where the new wheels are at?
Yeah, they're over here.
Here are the wheels.
Dun, da, da.
So they're over there. Ready to get mounted. Kaya mounted and balanced all 4 wheels.
Yep. So we're gonna take care of mounting them, doing any ride height changes. We're gonna decamber the front so we can kind of get it looking a little bit better. And then an oil change, and then just some maintenance stuff.
Alright, so we got the front ones on, which still look really nice on the car. That looks like a time attack car, huh?
Yeah, but we got a problem in the rear. So I did my math wrong. I thought these were plus 22. They're actually plus 38.
Yeah.
I thought the setup was gonna be exactly the same poke, so it wasn't gonna change very much. But it turns out it's gonna stick out like almost more than a half an inch. Alrighty, Kevin. So we test fitted the wheels and we learned that I made a mistake, but it should still work.
Yep.
We pulled out about 2 degrees of front camber through the SPC ball joints. And then in order for the rears to clear and for them to fit, we need to add 1 degree. So we're gonna go from -3 to -4 so that the new tire setup can clear the quarter panel and make sure that there's no weird rubbing inside. Alrighty, so Kevin and I are about to go visit our friend Maxie. She's the one that owns the new Supra. She calls it the Supra. And she works at Evasive Motorsports, so we're gonna go pick it up right now. We're gonna pick up the SPC ball joints that we need for Tao's S2000.
Alright guys, we made it to Evasive. This is Maxie's R30. I mean, oh my.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey guys, this is Supra. Maxie's Supra right here. A bunch of nice cars over here. GTR.
We're back. So what are you working on, Kevin?
We are taking the upper control arm. So pretty much we're gonna replace the upper ball joint that has no adjustment to this one. So this way you can move the camber back and forth to have your adjustment.
Will give us the 1 degree that we need to be able to fit the new wheels.
Yeah, without eating the tire.
Nice, let's get it done. All right, so we got both arms out, and then we got to take it over to our other unit and press in these. So we're gonna remove the OEM ball joints, and then this is gonna go into the OEM hole on the arm. This is gonna go on top, and then that'll allow the ball joint to slide in and out to give us that camber adjustment. All right, so we're back at the shop. Kevin just finished installing the right side rear control arm with the new SPC ball joints. So we're about to put the wheels on. Then we got a special visitor here. Goes by the name of Andre. What's up, Andre?
Once a week. What's up?
Once a week, yeah. This is my brother for those that don't know. And he just picked up a new fender from the junkyard.
Yeah.
So what's this going on?
My passenger side of the E36.
Yeah.
I didn't roll them and then pulled my inside fender out. So instead of fixing it, I just got another.
And we're not gonna tell you how that happened. But it was pretty cool.
It was very cool.
One thing I want to say right now, don't ever do this. Only reason why I am is because the previous owner actually cut off this lip, so it doesn't actually have anything inside anymore.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but
You can't see it, but this whole lip that's usually like this and gets folded up when you roll it, it's been chopped off.
Yeah, so this previous owner is the one that messed it up, not us.
Yeah, so now that I've seen it, we're definitely gonna have to do our own custom wide body kit.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the reason why we're shaving this off is because the tire is really close to this area. So we don't want it to touch or cut the tire.
Yeah. It looks good?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Sweet.
All right, let's go drifting.
Sheesh, clears.
Oh yeah, look at that. Damn, it's tucked inside.
Sick, bro.
Oh, yeah, you good. Dude, it's like a fucking hairline. Look at that.
Yes. It's clear. It'll clear though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We did it.
So we're good.
And it's not even like a crazy amount of camber. It's only 4 degrees.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's not bad.
and it's just shy of 4 degrees. It's not at 4 degrees.